start with our Colorado striped bass. Our Colorado, this is a hybrid between a perch and a striped bass you're going to find on the East Coast. It's a wonderful flaky whitefish. Should be writing this down. A wonderful flaky whitefish. Do you have a? Does everyone have a piece of paper that's not their evaluation sheet? Okay, cool. Anybody else have paper that's not their evaluation sheet? Yeah.
Paper.
Yeah. They all need, because the evaluation sheet so that they can evaluate each dish.
You should have. Does anyone not have the allergen list? Use the back of that. Does anyone need paper? Who needs paper?
Who needs paper? You're not to write on your evaluation sheet because you're going to lose that at the end of this. So there's no point in doing it there. I see you brought a book. Very nice. Good job.
I'm sorry. Here. Sorry. Here are the menus. Just write your notes on the menu as you're hearing it.
Yeah. These are questions that our guests will ask time and time again. So you're going to be really happy to have this information now. Okay, Colorado striped bass is a wonderful white flaky fish that is really fantastic because it's not motherfucking trout. We've sold more trout out of this restaurant than anything else in the world. It's with black rice. Black rice is also known as forbidden rice. And it is because nobody's pen is moving. Let's move some pens here, people. And it's forbidden rice because at one point only the Song Dynasty, only the aristocrats were allowed to eat it. So that's why it's called forbidden rice. It is just another genus of in the rice family. So if someone's allergic to rice, they're going to be allergic to this. It also has green tomato, a corn jus, as well as a watermelon kimchi and green tomato in this guy. And I believe there's some braised cabbage in there as well. We are going to be featuring this dish for our Fort sustainable menu as a menu item that we are featuring as our most sustainable dish because it's sustainably farmed here in Colorado. The green tomatoes are the tops and bottoms for the green tomatoes that we use for one of our other salads. The corn jus is made with a stock of our corn cobs, so no waste there. And then the watermelon kimchi is made with the rind of the watermelon. So we're trying to just use as many things that we would otherwise throw away in this dish, saving the planet, having a great time. Then we have this locally sourced bison short rib. It takes 4 days to make. We get it, we brine it, we sous vide it for 3 days. And it is so it's fork tender. This is a wonderful dish if someone's like, I am so hungry, like this is it. And we also have that with a sweet potato coulis. That's a brown butter sweet potato mash. Goji berry jam. Goji berries, they are native to this area as well. I haven't found them, but they are in fact native to this area as well. But these are from the Himalayan mountains. They are known to help you acclimate to higher altitudes quicker. And they're a superfood. And that's also with the pistachio dukkha, which is a pistachio almond crumble, as well as roasted radishes. Now the wonderful thing about radishes is they're very astringent and they can really burn you when they're raw, but when they're cooked like this, they're really nice and sweet. Another thing about the bison, it cannot be done without gluten or without dairy. It's cooked in there, so that's that. Then we have our Wagyu flat iron. It is a grade 6. You will be asked that by our guests. Grade 6. Grade 6?
Grade 6.
Oh my God, I did it! Yeah, I'm so excited. This is with the tarragon coulis. The tarragon coulis is a spiced red pepper with some tarragon in it. Kind of just taking béarnaise and putting it on its side a little bit. We also have some grilled shiitake, some rainbow carrots, as well as a potato pave. Potato pave is like a very, very fancy au gratin. This also takes a couple days to make. We have to slice the potatoes, cook the whole thing off, press it, and then after that we cut it into portions. And if you're really lucky, then you get some of the scraps. I get the scraps every day. And that's with some smoked potato skins. This is another great example of how we're being sustainable. Instead of throwing away our potato skins, we smoke them and then we fry them, and they're wonderful. And the pave cannot be done without dairy. Other than that, completely gluten-free. And excuse me, this dish is the bass is done gluten-free as well. All right, easy sell is our trout. Artur, why don't you introduce this one, please?
The American trout?
Yeah.
They come with 2 raviolis. The flavors change every night. They
got some peppers, microgreens, and the butter.
Yep, the brown butter.
Brown
exactly,
butter.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
the raviolis are made here in house. They do change every day. Each one is a different flavor. There'll be different colors most of the time. And in the blue moon, they're going to be the same color, and that sucks. This we sell more trout than number 2 and number 3 combined. So there's a ton of trout. You want a very easy sell to people that are really going to like it. Trout. And we have guests that come in who apologize, like, I'm sorry, I'm just gonna get the trout again, like which is completely fine. All right, so y'all are gonna taste. Thank you. That cut. Yeah.
The raviolis, you have to pay special attention to since they do change every day. That's an allergen that's always changing every day also.
Yeah. Most of the time they have cream, they have garlic, they have dairy. So, and they're always gonna have gluten. There's no question about that. But they are made here in house, which is super fun. We're just a ravioli making machine. Yes, sir.
Ounces.
Ounces. Thank you. Thank you. 6 ounce trout.
6 ounces.
6 ounce flat iron. With the bone, 10 ounces, but you're probably getting about like 7 ounces of meat. It's filling. Like this is great for burrito tomorrow. 6 ounces of on bass. Okay. Now y'all, I know it's not winter, but still be careful with don't lick your spoon clean. Okay. Like try to like keep it clean. Keep it. If you have to change out your utensils, that's completely fine. Okay. Thank you.